Eric here with another Farm Truck Financial update on the 2021 Toyota Land Cruiser build. The installation of the come-up winch looked great last video. I can't wait to see what Michael has for us today. Enough from me. Let's head down to Sparks and Gears in Naples, Florida, and see what updates Michael has for us. Michael?
Hello, my name is Michael with Sparks and Gears. We're working on Eric's build 2021 Land Cruiser, the last year of the Mighty V8. We just got done installing the SDHQ rock sliders. For those that don't know what they're for, they're to protect you from any rocks or any elements as you're sliding over. This will protect the door jambs and all this, because this will just get crushed and can't open your door after that. They also double as a step where you can get in and out of the vehicle because it's going to be lifted, and you can reach your roof rack and all your gear on the top. Stay tuned. We're going to be working on the suspension, the Icon suspension next, 3.5-inch lift kit. We're making great progress in the Grand Cruiser. We have a few more goodies we're going to be installing. Please stay tuned for more updates.
So if you want to ride along and join the build with us, like and follow, and we'll fill you in with all the updates.